Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Manpreet Kaur. So today's topic is simple past tense. We have covered the present tense, all types of four tenses we have covered in the present tense. Now it's time for the past tense. First is the simple past tense. Now what do you mean by simple past tense? Its formation, its examples and its second form. We are all going to cover in this video. Let's see how. First, its definition. It is used to talk about the actions or events. We talk about the actions or events that already happened in the past and are finished now. Means now they are not for any use. They have been finished now. Like I had my lunch. I ate my lunch. I have finished my lunch. We visited the zoo. Like we visited the zoo. He played football or cricket. Anything that has been completed now. We visited the zoo. Means now we are not in the zoo, nor we are going to the zoo. We have visited the zoo. It's past tense. It's over. So what is it formation? Subject. We is the subject. Visited, verb, second form. Visited is the verb, second form. Zoo is the object. So this is the formation. In any of the tense or any of the grammar topic, you just need to remember this formation. It is very important to learn about the formation of the sentence. Means what are the things, how we need to frame the sentence. That is the formation of the sentence. We visited the zoo. He played football. For example, we can write more. I ate breakfast. Means I ate breakfast. In the simple past tense, we use what types of word? Like last night, yesterday, once, long ago. These types of words or phrases are used in the simple past tense. Last night, I met my friend. Means yesterday, I met my friend. Or last night, I had a party. Like this types of sentence. Go, went. Verb first form, verb second form. Verb first, verb second. See, for example, go changes to went. Eat changes to ate. Come, came. See, saw, took. These types of tenses are in the verb second form. So this was all about the simple past tense. Thanks for watching.